If you total up 26 richest individuals' wealth in the world, it is more than 3.5 billion people combined, which means just 26 individuals own more than 50% of the world's wealth. Hello everyone, my name is Parthiban Vijay Raghavan. I lead Leadership Development Organization and have over 24 years of experience in a leadership position. I developed various models to drive decisions. Decision making is one of my favorite topics, and I would like to share with you all my failures and learnings. I began to dwell into great curiosity after reading the book Sapiens from Yuval Noah Harari. I've been following and reading a lot of successful entrepreneurs. How do they do it? What makes them so different? Have you thought about it? If I have to put that in a single sentence, they don't do different things. They do things differently. And one of them is how they make decisions. Based on my research, which I've been doing for over a decade, studying various individuals, research papers, articles, I found that we humans live in communities. For example, higher income group will stay, mingle and socialize among their community. Likewise, middle income group and the lower income group, which means people who are born in specific community, more or less, they have almost equal access to resource as they grow up. However, within their community, if a person say hits 50, he or she may end up in a very different position. I'm meaning in terms of wealth. Just for the measurement's sake. I'm not talking about an individual's happiness, satisfaction, contentment, or any other emotional side, because it's really hard to measure these, and these are very subjective for the research. Now, the key question, despite starting from almost a similar starting point, how could each end up very differently after 50 years? The answer is decisions. The decisions we make along the line, the choices we choose, all these shapes up many of us. Many of us also fear making decisions. We worry too much about making the wrong choice that we will regret the direction we have taken, and it's too late to go back and change. And another significant influencing factor for avoiding decisions is human brain accounts for 3% of the body size but use 25% of the energy, which means naturally the mind would like to conserve the energy for survival. The bigger danger is that we make no decisions and we're going nowhere and doing nothing. Another most common challenge each of us come across is having too many information. Our brains are designed to take limited information at any given point in time, which makes it hugely formidable if we are given too much of information and then asked to make decisions. Let me give you another example, and I would encourage you to reflect upon. Imagine you and your family go out for a nice dinner in a multi-cuisine restaurant, and after you take your seat, the waiter hands you over a 10-page menu which has about 100 dishes. If you can decide within 90 seconds what you want to eat and place an order for yourself, then this course is not for you. Do you know that the brain constitutes about 2 to 3% of the body mass and yet consumes astonishing 25% of energy? Now this course is for those who does not want to be tired and fatigued by end of the day. Following the process and techniques in this course not only will make you a better informed decisions, you will also feel energetic and enthusiastic even at fag end of the day. In this course, which will help you to make a smart and informed decision and better utilization of available energy you have. Firstly, let us understand basics of brain science, in which I will explain a bit of brain anatomy, then what happens in the brain, especially when we are happy or stressed. Secondly, I will also share how we usually make decisions, which is predominantly at the subconscious level and some conscious level, and what are its advantages and disadvantages. Third, how to make decisions. Here I will share some of my best practices I use, including tools and processes to make a decision. In the end, as a bonus giveaway, I will also share how to beat analysis paralysis situation. Now, this is just not a video-based course. I have designed in a way which will make it interactive. For that, I need your upfront commitment to stay engaged by pausing the video as and when I say and doing the exercise. As part of the course, you will be given an exclusive access to Decision Making Club, where I will be sharing more in-depth mental models which can be used anytime, anywhere. I'm highly excited to share my course, my experience, and also assume the same enthusiasm to learn, comprehend, apply, and grow. I wish you a very best for the future, and let's get started now.